Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with Day 12 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. This is just as exciting as it was last year. Oh, I love it. It's a gift every day. And it's a die set. Yay! Alrighty, let's take a closer look. This is the strawberries. Love, love, love. You can bring in the florals with the strawberries. There's even little florals here anyway. There's some blossoms. Look at this awesome leaf with a layering piece. So you could do like a dark green and then a lighter green, some more little leaves, and these two fabulous strawberries. Now let's take a look at my example. This is my December 12th example. I love this sweet strawberry card. It's just so much fun. And this set, which is only 6 dies, produced all of this. I did not bring in any additional dies in the construction of the strawberries. So you see a dark green and a light green. These are cardstocks from my stash. So when you cut this, I just put a strip and I cut both because I wasn't sure if I wanted the leaf to be like this version, or this. I like the dark with the light right there. The strawberries, oh, they come together so easy. So you cut the strawberries. If you run it twice in your die cut machine, it'll pop everything out. To get the black in the back, I did have to do a little bit of surgery. I had to take and I know you guys are like, oh, here she comes with the 9-inch pro shears to cut around this to then fit it behind here. I made 4 strawberries. I decided that 4 was going to be too much, so I only kept 3, but I backed all of them with a 110-pound black cardstock. So this is pretty solid too. I did do some ink blending, use my Waffle Flower shader brush in a darker red and just shaded around these strawberries just to give them a little bit of depth. I didn't do it for the leaves, but I did it for the strawberries. For the tops of the strawberries, you get this little piece, and you see how you get that nice square to put a dab of glue, and you just put it behind it like so. And then you can vary your angle. Do you want your angle like that? Do you want it standing, more straight up? Do you want it curved? So I played with how my stems looked. And then I also popped some of these leaves. You get 4 to cut out. I just put them around here. And then you get this cute little flower. You actually get 2. I cut that out in white cardstock and then put some yellow here in the center. In the background, I'm using some Gina K ink, 4 different shades of green. I couldn't find the right colorway. And then I came out with some gray. That's why it's looking the way it looks with the inking. Very light over here, but it is more concentrated here. And then I just made this little cluster of beautiful strawberries. Here I'm using one of my favorite embossing folders. Anytime you're stuck and you want an embossing folder that is clean, it offers that elegance that some other embossing folders are. For some reason, when you are stuck on what to put behind your image, this one comes to the rescue because she is simple enough, but at the same time elegant. Also at the same time, she doesn't take away from what's happening in the front. I needed something that was not competing so much with my cluster of strawberries. And I ran about 3 different embossing folders. That was my winner. I just showed you this card example yesterday with the Spellbinders fire sale video, which I will link here. I'm using the back of it. See how it offers elegance and texture, but not competing with what's happening here? It's doing the same thing here with the strawberries. It's a fantastic embossing folder. Anytime you're stuck, reach for her. She'll just be like, I'm here to help. So she helped me finish my strawberry cluster. So this is a A2 card. In the background, I'm using a strip of black cardstock, okay? This is a top folding A2 card. The sentiment comes from here. Serenade Sentiments Dies. This is from the Serenade of Autumn collection. You remember that beautiful fall collection with the sunflowers? There's this fabulous set of sentiment dies. You get happy birthday, best wishes, for you, thank, grateful, and thankful. So I did thank you right here. Black glossy foil cardstock with white cardstock on the top. I think the sentiment here with that black glossy gives a nice contrast to this and the background. Finished it off with some silver mixed gems, the crystal part. And that is it for my day 12 card, which I so love. If you have the Advent calendar, most definitely have fun with this set of dies on December 12th. Yay! Speaking of December 12th, remember this is the last day of the 12 days of giveaways. Enter to win the grand prize, which is today, and that is the original platinum machine with an XL universal plate system. I will provide a link below so you can fill out an entry form directly on the Spellbinders website. Yay! You can also enter on social media, Facebook and Instagram, okay? Also, don't forget to check out the fire sale video. In there, I show you a lot of steals. I hope you enjoyed my December 12th. Until December 13th, stay crafty, my friends. Bye!